What's up, guys? Okay, y'all, I'm doing another collab video hosted by Nesting Haven. I hope I got that right. And it is Thrifted Trash to Treasure a challenge. Y'all know the routine. Look at the title, okay? Yes, please. Okay, so anyway, so I thrifted this cute little bird cage, and it don't look too bad, but it needs to be cleaned up. I'm really not feeling this green, and it just needs some little love to it for the most part. But overall, it's not, in my opinion, completely trash, but at the same time, I ain't buying no trash. So anyway, so I'm gonna just kind of like give it a little love of spray paint. Yes, spray paint. So I still don't know which color, so I got black and silver right here. So I'm gonna hook it up with some spray paint, and I'll be right back, guys. And there you have it, guys, an upcycle bird cage. I went with the black. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, let's keep it all the way 100. First I did white spray paint. I didn't have enough. Then I hollered at it with that silver spray paint. Still wasn't enough, so I coated it with the black one. Now it gave it kind of like almost like a grayish finish instead of just pure black, which I love because I didn't want pure black. So anyway, so I coated it, the whole thing black. I found this hanger thing, whatever you want to call it, and I was like, oh, this is a perfect match. And I also thrifted this as well. I think this was like a quarter or 50 cents. And I'm like, hey, that's a match made in heaven. And then I had this little candle dish, whatever you call it. I don't know where I got that from, I ain't gonna lie. And then I just added one of those Dollar Tree fake candle things. So you can add, I could add a real votive candle later or whatever, but I just thought this was cute and to give y'all an example of what I'm gonna use this for. But y'all already know I love it, and it turned out so cute. So thank you, Nesting Haven, for this awesome little challenge. Hey, allow me to actually get off my butt and fix this little bird cage thing up. So, and then I might add like little diamonds here, but I don't think so. I'm not that of a bedazzle type of chick. Keep it all the way 100 with you guys. But now that I'm looking at it, it might need a little something. So we'll see. Maybe like on this base. So we'll see. If I update it, I'll put a picture like on my Facebook page or something. Who knows? But anyway, guys, this is the finished challenge of the bird cage. So from trash to now the cutest treasure ever. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, go ahead and hook me up with a thumbs up. See you guys, tomorrow? Yeah, and Friday. I got a lot of videos. I ain't a lot, but I got a few videos this week. So I'm gonna see y'all when I see you. Deuces!